Welcome to another video, and let's go and explore Talley Church. Let's take a look inside. Nestled between the ruins of Talley Abbey and the splendour of two lakes, you will find St. Michael's and All Angels Church. In front of the church lies the entrance to Talley Woodlands, where a series of walks will lead you to breathtaking views of the church, the village, and far-reaching surrounding area. The foundation of the church was laid on 20th of April 1773, and the building was erected by recycling and using stones and materials from the abbey ruins. Inside the church you will be surprised by the unusual layout and design of the building, and especially the quirky box pews. It is believed that the box pews were set in place first on the rest of the building, with two doors at the west end was planned to accommodate the pews. The gallery on the west wall was removed in 1874 and replaced by three long windows. The stained glass window on the east wall in the altar was erected. Keeping the church in good state of repair is as true today as in the 18th century. Leaking walls and ceilings continue to impact on the fabric of the building. Throughout its existence, St. Michael's has weathered challenges. Despite these, the church has been a resilient symbol of faith, community, and cultural heritage. In recent times, preservation efforts have been undertaken to ensure St. Michael's remains a well-preserved historical site. These endeavours aim to safeguard the architectural integrity and historical significance of this cherished landmark. Today, St. Michael's Church stands not only as a place of worship, but as a living monument to the past. Its walls echo with the stories of generations, making it an integral part of the local identity. As we explore the history of St. Michael's, we gain a deeper appreciation for its enduring role in shaping the cultural and religious landscape of Talley. If you ever come down and visit into Talley itself, there's lovely little tea rooms as well in the church hall. And there it is, Talley Parish Church. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and we'll see you all on the next one.